Are you evaluating ADP Workforce Now for your next HCM platform and trying to understand what it does well, how it uses AI, what it costs, and how it compares to other enterprise HR systems? In this review, we will give you a clear, fact-based overview so you can decide if ADP Workforce Now aligns with your organization's requirements. ADP Workforce Now is a cloud-based human capital management suite designed for mid-market and enterprise organizations. It unifies payroll, core HR, time and attendance, benefits administration, talent acquisition, and workforce analytics into one system of record. The platform is built on ADP's decades of payroll and tax expertise, which is a core reason many organizations shortlist ADP when accuracy, compliance, and scale are non-negotiable. Let us start with the essentials. In payroll, ADP Workforce Now handles gross to net calculations, multi-state tax management, garnishments, and year-end processing, such as W-2 and 1099 statements. Its compliance engine supports frequent tax updates, helping organizations keep pace with regulatory changes. Integration between time and payroll reduces manual adjustments, and employee self-service lowers HR workload by allowing staff to access pay statements, update direct deposit, and manage personal information. Core HR features include a centralized employee record, organization charts, positions and job structures, document management, configurable workflows, and role-based security. HR teams can standardize processes such as new hire onboarding, job changes, and terminations, while audit trails track who changed what and when. The user experience has continued to improve, with dashboards and quick links surfacing common tasks for employees and managers. On the time and attendance side, ADP offers scheduling, time capture through web, mobile, and supported devices, time-off management, and accruals. Policies can be configured for overtime, premiums, and compliance rules to reduce downstream exceptions that complicate payroll. For benefits, the platform supports eligibility management, open enrollment, life event processing, and carrier connections that reduce file administration. Employees can compare options and enroll through self-service with rules that match company plans. For talent, ADP Workforce Now spans recruiting, onboarding, performance, and compensation planning, with learning integrations through partners. Recruiting capabilities streamline job postings, candidate pipelines, and offer letters. Onboarding automates forms, compliance documents, and task checklists for IT, facilities, and payroll. Performance supports goals, reviews, and feedback, while compensation planning helps HR and leaders execute merit cycles with budget guardrails. Analytics is a defining strength. ADP DataCloud provides dashboards, configurable reports, and benchmarking across pay, turnover, headcount, and overtime. Benchmarks draw on ADP's large datasets, so leaders can compare their metrics against peers. Predictive and anomaly detection features help identify outliers in payroll and workforce trends before they become issues. These analytics reduce the time to insight and support more data-driven HR and finance decisions. How does ADP use AI? In Workforce Now, AI and machine learning are most visible in analytics, anomaly detection, and recommendations. Users can surface insights faster, identify irregularities, such as unusual pay variances, and receive prompts that guide corrective actions. AI-assisted experiences are expanding across reporting and help content, improving search and reducing clicks for routine tasks. As with any suite, the availability and depth of AI features can vary based on your edition, region, and configuration, so confirm details with ADP during scoping. Integration and extensibility are critical evaluation points. ADP provides APIs supporting REST and SOAP, secure file transfers via SFTP, and an ADP marketplace for pre-built connectors and certified apps. Typical integrations include ERP and general ledger systems for labor distribution and journal entries, identity providers using SAML for single sign-on, learning and recruiting tools, data warehouses, and data lakes. The platform's real-time or near real-time synchronization helps ensure consistent employee data and reduces reconciliation work between systems. Security and compliance underpin the platform. ADP employs encryption in transit and at rest, granular role-based access controls, and logging for audits. The company maintains recognized certifications and frameworks, and supports data privacy regulations such as GDPR and state privacy laws. Operations are designed for high availability with redundancy and disaster recovery practices that safeguard critical payroll operations. What about pricing and total cost of ownership? ADP Workforce Now is sold on a quote-based, modular subscription. Expect a per-employee per month structure with a base fee, with costs influenced by your chosen modules, employee counts, support tier, and implementation scope. In addition to the subscription, plan for project management, data migration, integrations, custom reporting, training, and change management. Many buyers phase their rollout, starting with payroll, time, and core HR, then layering benefits, analytics, and talent to balance risk, adoption, and cost. Strengths of ADP Workforce Now include proven payroll accuracy and compliance at scale, integrated time and benefits, robust analytics and benchmarking via DataCloud, and a broad ecosystem of integrations through APIs and the ADP marketplace. The platform's maturity and global payroll experience also make it attractive for organizations with complex multi-state or multi-entity structures. Potential challenges include a learning curve for administrators, added cost for advanced analytics or premium integrations, and the need for careful configuration to streamline workflows. Because the suite is comprehensive, success depends on governance, data stewardship, and user training. Organizations that skip process standardization before go-live may find the experience more complex than necessary. Who is a good fit? Companies with 150 to several thousand employees seeking reliable payroll, strong compliance, and a unified HR system are prime candidates. Organizations that value finance alignment and GL integration will benefit from DataCloud and labor distribution controls. Highly specialized talent organizations or those looking for deep native learning or niche recruiting workflows should compare ADP with Workday, UKG Pro, Ceridian Dayforce, Paycom, and Paylocity to ensure best fit by industry and operating model. Implementation tips to increase success include assembling a cross-functional team across HR, payroll, finance, and IT, cleansing and deduplicating employee data before migration, standardizing processes where possible, configuring roles and approvals with security in mind, and planning a change management track that includes communications, training, and go-live support. Set clear KPI targets, such as payroll accuracy, time to close, first paycheck success rate, reduced manual adjustments, and self-service adoption. Lastly, consider support. ADP offers knowledge bases, training, community forums, and service tiers. Clarify case response times, escalation paths, and whether you will use a managed services option for payroll or tax filing. Establish an integration maintenance plan, including monitoring SFTP jobs and API health to avoid data drift after go-live. In summary, ADP Workforce Now is a mature, full-spectrum HCM platform centered on payroll excellence, compliance, and analytics. Its AI-assisted insights, strong integration options, and enterprise-grade security make it a compelling choice for mid-market and enterprise buyers. Balance its breadth with disciplined implementation, invest in training, and validate the specific modules and AI features you need during scoping. If you do that, you can achieve measurable gains in payroll accuracy, reporting speed, and HR productivity, while laying a foundation for data-driven workforce planning.